पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। We were seeing introduction to 45th Vartika, that if from bija ankura comes, and then from that ankura further the tree and the leaves, branches, flower, fruit, and then again the bija comes. So from seed sprout, from sprout to seed, this parampara is anadi, beginningless, and in that the elements, each entity, the vyakti of this parampara, they are Sadi, Savayava, Vikari and Vinashi. They have Adi, they have parts, Avayava, they are Vikari, subject to modification and destruction. Then, and they are many. Many seeds have come, many sprouts have come. It continues. So if you say Jagat and Ishvara, they are like Ankura and Bija. Jagat is like Ankura, Ishvara is like Bija. Then many Jagat, many worlds have come. Yes, we agree. And then many Ishvaras have come. You will have to say Taccha Anishtam. That is not acceptable, because the Shruti says Paramatma is not subject to birth or death. It is Avikari. Avikaryo yam uchyate. So both the Shrutis are Shruti Smruti. Both of them are saying Paramatma is Avikari. Therefore, Tasmadayam Drashtanto Anupapanna iti ashankam udbhavya. So this Bijankura Drashtant is invalid. If you say that, then Yogi Drashtantena Pratyachaste. Yogi Drashtanta is given. Bijad vrikshastaror bijam पारंपर्येण जायते इति शंका निवृत्त्यर्थम योगी दृष्टांत कीर्तनम। बीजाद वृक्षस्तरोर्बीजं पारंपर्येण जायते इति शंका निवृत्त्यर्थम योगी दृष्टांत कीर्तनम। विश्वामित्रादयः पूर्वे परिपक्वसमाधयः उपादानोपकरण प्रयोजन विवर्जिताः। उपादानोपकरण प्रयोजन विवर्जिताः स्वेच्छया ससृज स्वर्गं सर्वभोगोपबृंहितं स्वेच्छया ससृज स्वर्गं सर्वभोगोपबृंहितम् ईश्वरोऽनन्तशक्तित्वात् स्वतन्त्रोऽन्यानपेक्षतः स्वेच्छामात्रेण सकलं सृजत्यवतिहन्ति च ईश्वरोऽनन्तशक्तित्वात् स्वतन्त्रोऽन्यानपेक्षतः स्वेच्छामात्रेण सकलं सृजत्यवतिहन्ति च। बीजात् वृक्षः तरोर्बीजम् फ्रॉम सीड स्प्राउट एंड ट्री बीजात् वृक्षः तरोः बीजम फ्रॉम द ट्री another seed means not the same seed what was there as the karanam for the vriksha karyam, but sajatiya bijam, a similar kind of seed, paramparyena jayate, in parampara, in succession. So one seed, one tree, from that tree another seed, three seed 2 3 2 like that. इति शंका निवृत्त्यर्थम. So iti shanka nivrityartham means the shanka is explained in the tika. What is the shanka? That if this kind of parampara is there, then the bija and ankura both are vinashi, vikari ityadi, and anant, infinite numbers are there. So to remove that, and then each one of them jayate, they all have utpatti. So for that shanka nivrityartham yogi drishtanta kirtanam, the drishtanta is given mahayogi iva and mayavi iva, both drishtantas are given. Vishwamitradayah पूर्वे परिपक्व समाधयः. Vishwamitradayah, Vishwamitra who created Swarga for Trishanku. Vishwamitraha, what is the vigraha? Vishwamitra Adir Yesham? No, only Vishwamitra. Adaya you leave. How will you do Vishwamitra? No, Vishwasya Mitra will become Vishwamitra. Vishwam Mitram Yasya Saha Vishwamitraha. Rishav, so here there is a sutra. Mitre Charshav. Mitre Charshav. In that there is a dirgha for when there is mitra, and then also in case of rishi. So like Vishwamitra is there, so Vishwamitra will become Vishwamitra. Dirghatva. Vishwamitram Yasya Saha is Bahuvrihi. But with this sutra, Mitre Charshav, 63130. So Vishwasya Dirgaha is through this sutra. So what they have to do, when this Vishwamitra Shabda is already there in Shastra. Correct? Now a sutra has to be created to explain why Vishwamitra Shabda is formed. Because Vishwamitra you can understand. Vishwamitra, so you have Panini Maharshi have to write a sutra to explain this is the way you can have Vishwa Dirgha. So in this way, some usage will be there in Veda. To justify that, he will have to write a sutra. And then, of course, that sutra should not create any conflict with other Shabdas. In this way, they have to justify. So, Vishwamitram, yes. Mitre charshau iti Vishwasya dirgha. Purve paripakva samadhaya. Because of their paripakva samadhi, means great samahita avastha, they were able to create this kind of srishti. How? Upadana upakarana prayojana vivarjitaha स्वेच्छया स्वर्वभोग उपबृंहितं स्वर्गम ससृजुः. उपादान कारण not available. Upakarana means all instruments etc. not available. Sahakari karana. Prayojana, no prayojana for themselves. Means they did not have prayojana that I want to create for my stay. Prayojana vivarjitaha. Swechaya, by their own will. Sarva bhoga upabrimhitam swargam. Swarga, which is sarva bhoga upabrimhita, endowed with all sorts of pleasures and whatever that anyone can expect. Swargam sasrujuhu. Sasrujuhu. कैसे बनेगा? सृज धातु व्हाट लकार? लिट लकार. Lit. Anywhere there is this duplication, dvitva, it is lit because it is paroksha bhuta. It has happened sometime in the past, nobody knows when. So Purana, Bhagavad Purana is all paroksha bhuta kala, lot of lit lakara, babhuhu, etc. you will find. Pratham Purush Bahuvachanam. How will that word go? Sasarja sisrajituhu sasrujuhu. Sasrjatuhu. Sasarja sasrjatuhu sasrujuhu. In this way it will go. Pratham Purush Bahuvachan. So they created. So what is this? This is to show Ishwaratva. Just as Ishwar also has no other upadana karana, no sahakari karana, no prayojana for itself, no limitations, by his own will, swechaya, and with all kinds of bhoga etc., Paramatma creates the Jagat. All 14 worlds. This is so Drishtanta, Dashtanta, Samyam. And then in the shloka now it is explained. Ishwaraha Ananta Shaktitvat Swatantro Anya Anapekshataha. Swatantra Ishwara Ananta Shakti Anya Anapeksha, not expecting anybody. Sangha Sahayana Duja, no other help from anybody. Swecha Matrena Sakalam, by his own will. Sakalam Srijati Avati Hanticha. Creates everything, protects everything, destroys everything. Srijati and Avati हन्ति। टीका। योगी दृष्टांत तात्पर्यम् उदाहरणेन स्पष्टयति विश्वामित्रादय इति दृष्टांत दार्ष्टान्तिकश्लोकार्थः स्पष्टः। श्लोकार्थ इज वेरी क्लियर बिटवीन दृष्टांत एंड दार्ष्टान्त। निर्व्यापारः कथम ईश्वरः सृष्टिस्थिति संहारान् कुर्यात् इति आशंक्या। If he is nirvyapara, he doesn't do anything, how he can do srishti sthiti samhara? Nakarakanam vyaparat kartasyan nitya ishwarah napi pramana vyaparat ज्ञातासौ स्वप्रकाशकः नकारकाणां व्यापारात् कर्तास्यान्नित्य ईश्वरः नापि प्रमाण व्यापारात् ज्ञातासौ स्वप्रकाशकः। ईश्वरः न कारकाणां व्यापारात् कर्ता स्यात्। नित्य है ईश्वर हु इज नित्य is not karta because of the use of karaka. Without karaka he can be karta, unlike jiva. Jiva needs karakas to become karta. You ask a carpenter, create one furniture, what will be the first thing he will say? Where is the wood? Then he will say, give me some place to work. Then he will say, I did not bring my instruments, I have to bring my instruments. Means he needs karana, he needs adhikarana, he needs upadana karana, everything is needed. And then you have to give him enough time, and then he will say, 2 दिन में हो जाएगा, 2 दिन में हो जाएगा. These books, Tattvanusandhanam books from that Drolia people bookstore in Haridwar, 2 books came, other 8 books they want to get. 2 दिन में आ जाएगा, 2 दिन, 1.5 months are over. 2 दिन में आ जाएगा. 1 week before Guru Purnima we had told. 1 week before Guru Purnima. So this is how they function. 2 दिन में आ जाएगा. So Ishvara doesn't have all this. Ishvara is swatantra. Nakaranam vyaparat Ishvara nitya Ishvara karta syat. Napi praman vyaparat asau jnata. Jiva, for him to become jnata, he needs pramana vyapar. He needs vritti vyapti, and then padartha jnanam ityadi. Chaitanya, Swaprakash, doesn't need pramana vyapar also. So Ishvara is karta jnata without karaka, without pramana vyapar. Or in simple words, if you want to say, through Maya he can be karta also, he can be jnata also, he can be whatever you want. Through Maya, it is like swapna. कारक व्यापारितृत्वम ही विकारः. The moment you use karakas, you are subject to vikara. Karaka means vikarah. Sa Ishvara nasti. Ishvara doesn't have vikara because he doesn't use karaka. Vikarino anityatvat, Ishvarasya cha nityatvat. Vikari is anitya, Ishvara is nitya. Kintu सन्निधि सत्ता मात्रेण राजादिवत् अयस्कांतादिवत् वा यस्य सन्निधि मात्रेण देहेन्द्रिय मनोधियः स्वक्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्ते सूर्यालोकम यथा जनाः. So his sannidhi is there as a raja, everything functions. Like Surya, its Sannidhi is there, sun, people engage, birds go, start doing things. Monkeys start jumping here and there, all. Rajadivad, Ayaskantadivat, or like magnet. Magnet just stays, it doesn't have to do anything. The iron filings, iron pieces, all will get attracted. They will just go towards it. Nothing needs to be done. That's all. अयस्कांतादि वद्वा निर्व्यापार एव कारक प्रयोक्ता कर्ता च इत्यर्थः. So without doing anything, निर्व्यापार कारक प्रयोक्ता, all other karakas will function in its presence, and he is karta without doing any action. So निर्व्यापार कर्ता and कारक प्रयोक्ता. Similarly ज्ञाता also. तथा ईश्वरस्य ज्ञातृत्वमपि लोकविलक्षणम्. It is different from how the jivas, they have jnatritvam, or how jivas understand. Lokavilakshana. Vyapara anapeksham ityaha. Without expecting any vyapara. Swaprakashakaha iti hetugarbham visheshanam. Swaprakashakaha shabda is there in shloka. Jnatasau swaprakashakaha. So Swaprakashakah Shabda is Hetu Garbha Visheshana. Hetu Garbham Visheshanam means Hetuhu Yasya Garbhe Tad Visheshanam Hetu Garbha Visheshanam. So this Swaprakashakah is Visheshanam. What is the Visheshya? Swaprakashakah kaha? ईश्वरः स्वप्रकाशकः. ईश्वर is विशेष्य, स्वप्रकाशकः is विशेषणम. So this स्वप्रकाशकः विशेषणम is हेतु also, means स्वप्रकाशकत्वात् न प्रमाण व्यापारात् ज्ञाता. Because he is स्वप्रकाश, स्वप्रकाशकत्वात्, that will become हेतु. विशेषण itself will be हेतु. स्वप्रकाशकत्वात् प्रमाण व्यापार विना असौ ज्ञाता. विदाउट प्रमाण व्यापार ही इज ज्ञाता. हाउ? बिकॉज ही स्वप्रकाश. दिस इज कॉल्ड हेतु गर्भम विशेषण. उपसंहरति. नाउ उपसंहार. सो कंक्लूडिंग श्लोकास आर कमिंग नाउ. ज्ञातृत्वमपि कर्तृत्वम् स्वातंत्र्यं तस्य केवलम् याचेच्छाशक्ति वैचित्री सास्य स्वच्छंदकारिता. ज्ञातृत्वमपि कर्तृत्वं स्वातंत्र्यं तस्य केवलं याचेच्छाशक्ति वैचित्री सास्य स्वच्छंदकारिता. ज्ञातृत्वम् अपि कर्तृत्वं स्वातंत्र्यं तस्य केवलं. ज्ञातृत्वम and also कर्तृत्वम for ईश्वर, in that तस्य ईश्वरस्य केवलम स्वातंत्र्यम, he is completely स्वतंत्र without undergoing modification. केवलम means निर्विकार. स्वातंत्र्यम, स्वातंत्र्यम means the vyutpatti, if you want, you write down swam swayam tantram pradhanam yasya. First you have to understand swatantram. What is swatantram? Swam tantram swatantram. Swam means swayam, tantram means pradhanam. Pradhanam means that is that which is predominant. So swam swayam tantram pradhanam यस्य सः स्वतन्त्रं तस्य भावः स्वातन्त्र्यम्. In this way you have to do vigraha. So स्वातंत्र्यम means we say न अन्य अधीन न पराधीन, is स्वतंत्र, independent. But independent means he is pradhanam in this way. Pradhanam means he is primary. या च इच्छा शक्ति वैचित्री सा अस्य स्वच्छंदकारिता. And the इच्छा शक्ति of this Ishvara, स्वच्छंदकारिता, स्वच्छंदकारिणी means whatever comes to Ishvara's will, it will happen. Without his will, trina also will not get blown, no matter how much wind comes. So for a trina, blade of grass, to move, Ishvara Ichha is required. If Ishvara decides this is not going to move, anything can happen, nothing is going to move then. A blade of grass cannot burn. Even if Jataveda, Agni comes, tries to burn it, nothing will happen. So, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti is Vichitra, means unobstructed Swachhandakarita, and Vaichitri means there is so much power that anything can be created in that. And that's why all the Drishtantas in Puranas, they are like this. Prahlada. So when Bhagavan decided that he will come out of the pillar, he can come out of pillar. What is there? In fact, Chit Sukhi's Mangala Charanam is this only. Stambhabhyantar Garbha Bhava Nigada. From the Stambha, Sakshat, from there he came out. Prahlada, Narasimha. So the Mangala Charanam is for Narasimha in Chit Sukhi. Sakshat Tad Vaibhavo. Ya Panchanana, and as a lion mouth. Ya Panchanana Panchajanya Vapusha. So, with Manushya Sharira and lion mouth. So, Bhagavan's will is there. And if Draupadi needs saris, Bhagavan says, I will give. Upadan Karana? Where did Tantu come for Pata? No Tantu is needed. This Pata can just come out. This is Bhagavan. Fire can become cold. Sunset can happen any time for Arjuna. He can block the sun. So Bhagavan's will is like this. Tika. Swatantriyam para anapeksham ityartha. No apeksha of anything. Kevalam swagata vikara anapeksham ityartha. No vikara in itself. And still he can be karta and jnata. Ichha shakti hi api ishwarasya para anapeksha apratihata cha. Ichha shakti of Bhagavan is para anapeksha, not depending, not expecting anything, and apratihata, unobstructed. Nobody can challenge, nobody can refute. Iti kathayati yachaiti. Swachhandakaritvam eva vishayade. Now what is this Swachhandakaritvam? More of that Bhagavan explains. Yaya kartum nava kartu manyatha kartum arhati स्वतंत्राम ईश्वरे छांके परिच्छेतुमिहेषते यया कर्तुं न वा कर्तु मन्यथा कर्तुमर्हति स्वतन्त्रामीश्वरेच्छाङ्के परिच्छेतुमिहेषते यया शक्त्या, by that शक्ति, कर्तुम् अकर्तुम् अन्यथा कर्तुम् अर्हति. कर्तुम् न वा कर्तुम् means अकर्तुम् and अन्यथा कर्तुम् न वा कर्तुम् अन्यथा कर्तुम् अर्हति. He can do if he wants to do, he need not do if he doesn't want to do, and he can do it other way. Whichever way he wants, he will do. This is called swatantriyam. So swatantram ishwarechham, the will of Paramatma, which is swatantram. So para anapeksham के परिच्छेतुम इहेषते, के who all can disturb or obstruct are possible, means who all are possible to obstruct or disturbed Paramatma's will. Nobody can. होई ही सोई जो राम रचि राखा. Bhagavan, whatever he wills, that alone will happen. In Panchadashi there was one shloka, yada bhavi na tad bhavi, bhavi chen na tad anyatha. I had asked, I think, to remember this shloka. Yad abhavi, this Ramana Maharshi ji likes this shloka. He has also written, when he left home, this note, whatever is going to happen will happen, whatever is not going to happen will not happen. So actually it is this shloka only, yad abhavi na tad bhavi, what is not going to happen will not happen. Bhavi chet, if it is going to happen, na tad anyatha, nobody can refute it. इति चिंता विषग्नोयम बोधो भ्रमनिवर्तकः. Iti bodha, this kind of knowledge, this understanding, this wisdom, bodha. What is it? Chinta vishagnaha. Chinta eva visham. Chinta visham. The worry is a poison. What normally happens, people in general, they have so many desires. So earlier the desires are like worldly desires, that I want to get this, I want to have name, fame, money, lot of attraction from people and all those things. Later, after some time, people should realize that this is all waste of time. This kind of thinking also is manorajyam. When you sit down for meditation, dhyanam, also manorajyam starts happening. Mind goes everywhere. Parayana. So when you are doing parayana, mind will think of other things. Speech is doing repetition and mind will go elsewhere. So this can be either just mental imagination or it can be worries, chinta, that what will happen because of uncertainty. So this shloka says, don't worry about uncertainty. What is going to happen will happen. What is not going to happen will not happen. So then what should I do? You focus on your Brahmatva. Gain the knowledge. Abide in it. This bodha iti chinta vishagnoyam bodha. Chintam hanti iti chinta eva visham. Chinta visham. Tam hanti iti chinta vishagnaha. So this bodha is brahmanivartakaha. It will remove the brahma that I am a jiva who is within kala, within desha. This itself is a bhranti. क्व भाति दिक्काल कथा विनास्मान, अस्मान विना, विदाउट अस वेर इज दिक्काल, दिक्काल लीलेह वपुर्वयम चेत. देश काल, all this will come only when I think of myself as a body. Otherwise, where is desha kala? So for Paramatma, none of these things. And Jiva, if he has not understood, he will waste his time in doing kalpana. And anyway, what is going to happen alone is going to happen. No matter how much you do anything, at mental level also or at physical level also, you push something in some direction, finally something else only will happen. Example is of Buddha, Siddhartha, when he was prince. His father was told, either your son will become great king or he will become a great sannyasi. His father tried to keep him away from all sorrows. No old people around, no disease around, nothing. All happiness, pleasures. Still he became sannyasi. Because that is what was bound to happen. So, and Dasharath Maharaj, he couldn't stop Bhagavan Ramchandra ji leaving from home. So, what is going to happen will happen. Ke parichetum iheshate. Ke is bahuvachanam. Iheshate. Iha ishate means who can be the master over Bhagwan's will. ईश्वरस्य इच्छापूर्वक एव जगत सृष्ट्यादि व्यापार. So Ishvara is this kartum akartum anyatha vakartum. In Purusha Tantra also we use the same definition. What is Purusha Tantra? There where the Purusha has the free will to do or not do or whichever way. But it is based on Shastra guidelines. And then in that, if I get disturbed because I have lot of suffering, then I should see people who have more suffering than me. If they are also suffering, so then my suffering is not that bad. And if I get too delighted, then I should see people above me. This is the law. How I should live my life. That if I am suffering, I should see people below me, not people above me when I am suffering. Then I will be more miserable. When I am suffering, then I should see other people who have even greater suffering. So then I will forget my sorrow, that I don't have that much problem. And when I am in joy, so at that time I should not see people who are down. I should see people who are above me, that look, they have so much great things. So like if somebody studies for 2 years and they think, oh, see how much I have studied. Then they should see others who study for 5 years. If they study for 5 years, then they should see others who study for 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, like this. So then they should not feel garva, pride that I have studied so much. In this way, I can remain calm, balanced and perform in this world. Now, Ishwarasya ichha purvaka eva jagat srishtyadi vyapara iti atar pramanamaha. Pramana is given to show that the jagat srishti vyapara is Ishwar ichha purvaka. Shrutischa so कामयते तीच्छया सृष्टिमीशितुः तस्मादात्मन आकाशस् सम्भूत इति चाब्रवीत्. श्रुतिश्च शोकामयते तीच्छया सृष्टिमीशितुः तस्मादात्मन आकाशः सम्भूत इति चाब्रवीत्। श्रुति ही तैत्रीय श्रुति उद्धरणम इज गिवन शोकामयत इति इच्छया ईशितुः सृष्टिम अब्रवीत। Shruti says that the Akamayata Shruti says that Srishti is through Ishvara's Ichha. One quotation. Second, Tasmad Atmana Akasha Sambhuta iti cha abravit. And Shruti also says, from that Paramatma Akasha has come. So, both the things. Srishti is through Ishvara Ichha and from Paramatma. In that, this Praman. So that's why that Chakara is there. Iti cha abravit. Two things are to be understood here. Now, a question is raised. तदेवं स्वात्मनि स्थिते तत्वान्यत्वाभ्याम अनिर्वचनीये नामरूपे स्वमायावेशवशाद् व्याकुर्वन्नीश्वरो जगतः उपादानं निमित्तं वा अविकारितया मायावीव महायोगी वेतीव च दृष्टान्ताभ्यां स्वमतम् उपपादितम्. So स्वमतम is explained. How? तदेवं स्वात्मनि स्थिते in one's own self तत्व अन्यत्वाभ्याम अनिर्वचनीय नाम रूपे. नाम रूpa, this creation is nama rupatmaka. Nama means every object has a name. That name is, it has the shakti to reveal that padartha. Like when I say ghataha, who told that ghataha means this spot only? Ghata, ayam shabd, अस्मात् शब्दात् अयम अर्थः बोधव्यः. From this shabda, this meaning should be understood. How do we know? Goho, cow. Means this animal is called cow and the Sanskrit word for that is gau. How do we know? This is Ishvara Ichha. And how this is known? Through Vriddha Vyavahara. That when there is Vriddha, Uttama Vriddha, Madhyama Vriddha and Balaka, if they are there, so Uttama Vriddha tells Madhyam Vriddha, Gam Anaya, bring a cow. So a Balaka sees. So he will see that these words were spoken and this person brought a cow. So this Gam Shabda refers to this object. Lekhanim Anaya, bring a pen. So then when somebody brings a pen, so then the Balaka sees, oh, this is called Lekhani. Then at some time this Madhyama Vriddha is not available. And the Uttama Vriddha says, Mama Lekhani Kutra Asti. So then immediately that Balaka knows, oh, he is looking for Lekhani. He will go and get it. So that child is not taught lessons. This is, I am Lekhani, I am Lekhani. From Vyavahara, he has understood. In this way, it is said in the beginning of creation, Ishvara alone plays all these three roles. Uttama Vriddha, Madhyama Vriddha, Balaka. And each Padartha Jnanam through the Shakti, Pada Shakti, Each pada has its own Shakti to reveal Padartha. This is called Nama Rupa. Pada is called Nama, Padartha is called Rupa. Whatever is there in Srishti, all of them is Nama Rupa, means Pada Padartha Rupa. And is it same as Tattva, Paramatma, or different from Paramatma? So it is said Tattva Anyatvabhyam Anirvachaniya. Tattvena Anirvachaniyam. Anyatvena Anirvachaniyam. Ubhabhyam Anirvachaniyam. So is it one with Tattva or different or both? So it is inexplicable. तदेव स्वात्मनि स्थिते तत्वा अन्यत्वाभ्याम अनिर्वचनीये नाम रूपे स्वमाया वेशवशात्. By one's own maya avesha, Vyakurvan, Paramatma created everywhere, everything by entering into this Maya Shakti, means making it function, manifest, active. Vyakurvan, making everything express, manifest. Ishvaro Jagataha Upadanam Nimittam Va. Avikaritaya. Ishvara, who is avikari, yet Jagataha Upadanam also and Nimittam also. The Upadana Karana as well as Nimitta Karana of Jagat he became without undergoing modification. How? Mayavi Iva, like a magician. Mahayogi Iva, like a great yogi, Vishwamitra Adi. Iti cha drashtantabhyam swamatam upapaditam. Our matam, Vedanta matam, is explained. Tacha sarva shakhopanishad ekavakyata upanibaddhatvad arvachina laukika pramana abadhyameveti siddhameva tasya prabalyam. This Siddhanta is Prabala Siddhanta, is very strong. Why? Because strong means it cannot be refuted, it cannot be contradicted, because it is Siddha. It is proved. Proved through what? Through Upanishad. Which Upanishad? He says Sarva Shakha Upanishad. In each Shakha there is Upanishad. How many shakhas are there in Vedas? You know, 180. 1180. 1180. Rig Veda has 21. Yajur Veda has 109. Yajur Veda. Atharva Veda has 50 and Sama Veda has 1000. All are not available, but these are the shakhas. Rig Veda 21, Yajur Veda 109, Atharva Veda 50, Sama Veda 1000. So all put together is 1180. In these many shakhas, so many Upanishads are there. More about Ekavakyata we'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.